Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am here with a quick update on these Kiss Design press-on nails. So this is how the nails looked when I first did them. This was day one. So this was fresh after the application and they came out so pretty. So now we are on day 7 and the nails are still intact. They have not fallen off. They have not bent. None of them are broken. The only thing is that the 2 French tip nails, you can kind of see where they're gonna start lifting around the cuticle area. The solid color ones are still holding just fine. If you saw the tutorial I did on these, the 2 French tip nails were a little thinner than the solid color ones, but yeah, as you can see, they're still on. They're pretty strong. This is day 7, so I'm sure these nails will probably last another 3 days. So I already took the Temu nails off of my right hand and I'm about to get into another set. I'm about to start prepping my fingernails. And then, so I was thinking about applying one of these 2 sets. So I got this set in one of my Temu hauls, and then the other set I ordered from Shein. So yeah, this set is from Shein and I've had this set for some months now. I just never applied them, but I've been thinking about applying them, so I don't know which one I want to apply, guys. Both sets are really cute, perfect for summer. I love the colors in both of them, and I'm kind of leaning towards this one because I like the lightning bolts and the fire nails, and that happy face nail is really cute too. And then the other set is really cute too because it's one of my favorite colors, which is like turquoise teal. The lighting is kind of bad in my room, but this color is really popping. It's like really teal. So yeah, one of these 2 will be my next set, so make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.